Hello everyone and welcome to another Web3 game application. Before starting the video, uh, I appreciate to follow my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, and Medium. So, thank you for all of your supports. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So let's go to the video. So this one, it's Tone Mine app. So let's get start. So I'm gonna start with Tone Mine. It's gonna load some slowly, but it's gonna be okay. Loading is too much, but if you wait, we will have the screen. Let me just change my server. I'm using proxy. It's on connecting. Okay. It should be load faster. Okay. So first of all, your picture is gonna be here. I'm using a proxy for another country, so my picture is not here. So you see, yeah, it doesn't show my picture. So you see the blue tick here, as always, but I'm not sure it's working or not. And first of all, you have daily task here. I claimed my reward for today, and you have normal miner. You can claim it. I've got about 9 tone here. When you claim it, and you have tasks here, you can do the tasks, get the tone. As always, you see sponsors here. I don't see the Binance, but I see the KuCoin here. You can do the tasks, and you can share with your friends. You can connect your wallet here. I tried to withdraw. I don't know why it's 1.1. So when I submit, purchase a miner to start cashing out. So for cashing out, to confirm the cash, you should rent a miner. Miners are not so expensive. It's one tone, but when you want to rent it, you should pay it by yourself. You cannot use amount of tone that you have in your wallet. you should pay by Tonekeeper, Google Pay, USDT, or TRCB's USDT or USDT Ton. So you should rent a miner for withdraw. So this is what happens when you see FCM application here. When I click on go, the FCM is here. It's new channel. Previously we had a video about it. Turns the scam, but it still is here. You see it's claiming a ton. But I think the work dogs here, Reach AI channel, dogs community channel, inviting friend. But I think after renting a miner, you need to invite at least 15 or 20 friends to claim. For each friends you add, you receive 0.1 ton for each friend you add. You see, people are receiving tons, but in different ways. It doesn't show up here. So we have daily tasks, and let me refresh it. Yeah. Okay. This is how the tone programs work. Tone mine works. You should rent a miner. It doesn't make any difference to which miner you rent. 1 tone, 5 tone, 10 tone, or 50 tone. You should rent a miner, but I think as other applications you should invite friends to cash out your to withdraw. So in Rich app I tried to withdraw and I got 20 friends thanks to your support, but it turns a scam, and after 60 days it says it's gonna take 30 to 60 days to cash out, but there wasn't any payment and returns the scam. So you have settings here. It's languages, you can change it, and there's about us. So it's actually, it's amazing that there's no any Binance down here, but KuCoin is here. So it's daily task. I'm trying. I will try to buy a miner to see what happens, that I can cash out or not. But if you could just use my link to join this miner, it will be great, because I think, as I see here, it's 15, but on other applications like this I saw 20 for withdraw, to see if it's really working or not. So don't put any money, I'm saying again, don't pay any money for this. I'm trying to find out it's true or not, it's fake or not, it's very quick, and I'm trying to do my best. So I'm searching for these applications of Web3 games to see what happens, and I couldn't cash out from this one too. So I'll put the link in the description. I appreciate your support to join with my link, and we test it, we see what happens. So this is like other Web3 games. Don't waste a lot of times for that. Just uh, spend 2 or 3 minutes a day for uh, using it, to check it, to do the tasks. It's not a big thing, and you may get some cash, you may get some tone from this application. Anyway, I'll put the link in the description. Appreciate your support for joining by my links. And again, don't pay any money for this Web3 games. I'm trying to check which one is true or which one is not, to prove it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm saying there is my Instagram, my Telegram. You can contact me here, TikTok, Twitter, or X, LinkedIn, GitHub, or Medium. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. I put the link on description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're the only one you're supporting this channel. I don't have any donation or anything like that. Just support it by viewing, like, comments, and share it. Do such a thing. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. We will work on this tone miner too. Thank you for watching this video.